The Forgotten Library. In a quiet corner of an old European town, where the cobblestone streets disappear into rolling hills, there stood a library that few remembered. Its stone walls were covered in ivy that whispered softly when the wind passed through. Every evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, a thin mist would rise from the river nearby and wrap the building in a gentle silver veil. Inside, the air was cool and carried the scent of aged paper, polished oak, and a faint trace of beeswax from the candles that had burned there for centuries. Rows upon rows of tall wooden shelves stretched into the shadows, each one holding books bound in leather the color of autumn leaves. Dust motes danced slowly in the slanted beams of fading light that found their way through the high, arched windows. An old librarian named Elias moved between the aisles with unhurried steps. His footsteps made almost no sound on the worn carpet. He had long ago stopped counting the years he had spent here. Tonight, as always, he carried a small brass lantern that cast a warm, golden glow. He paused at a shelf near the back, where the oldest volumes rested. One book, bound in deep green with faded gold lettering, caught his eye. He lifted it carefully, its pages rustling like dry leaves. He settled into a deep armchair by the fireplace, where a small fire crackled softly, sending occasional sparks upward. Opening the book, he began to read aloud in a voice barely above a whisper. The words told of distant lands where mountains touched the clouds and rivers sang ancient songs. As he read, the mist outside pressed gently against the windows, softening the world beyond. The scent of the fire mixed with the paper, creating a cocoon of warmth and stillness. Time seemed to stretch and slow. The pages turned with a soft sigh. Elias's voice grew quieter, blending with the crackle of the fire and the distant hoot of an owl somewhere in the hills. The stories within the book unfolded like dreams, slow journeys through quiet forests, peaceful villages at dusk, and vast oceans under starlit skies. Nothing hurried. Nothing demanded attention. Eventually, the lantern's light dimmed to a gentle ember. Elias closed the book and leaned back, letting his eyes rest on the dancing shadows on the ceiling. The library held its breath, wrapped in mist and silence, ready to carry anyone who listened into the soft embrace of sleep.